Hey guys, Alex here. Welcome back to my channel. Today, I'll be sharing with you a new listing that we have in Mangoville, Agusan, in Cagayan de Oro City. So Mangoville is a subdivision by ABrown, the developer of Xavier Estates and other premier developments in and around the city. And this is a socialized housing project which launched in 2018, and it got sold out in 2 days, so that's a record. And that's how in demand this project is. And it's actually called the socialized housing because most socialized housing projects are row houses. And you get like 4 to 6 houses in a row, but this one is a duplex plus may parking pa, which you can, use later for expansion. So it's a huge bonus. And most socialized housing projects don't come with parking space. There's like a designated parking area lang within the subdivision that comes on a first come first served basis, but that's very limited. So what ends up happening is that people park along the roads, which, as you know, can be a hassle for homeowners as it makes the roads smaller or nawawalan talaga yung roads. Instead of 2-lane road, magiging 1-lane na lang siya. So there are several reasons why this project got sold out so fast. First is the price, of course. It's very affordable because it's a socialized housing project. Plus, the equity can be paid in installment at the time, and the balance could be mortgaged with Pag-ibig. So for Pag-ibig at a 30-year term, it's gonna be only 2.8 per month. So affordable talaga. And then second is the view. So this is a breathtaking view of Macahalar Bay. It has the same view as Teakwood, except that Teakwood lots are at 20 to 30,000 per square meter. Same view, but way less price. And then the third is that the area is elevated, it's flood-free, it's the next developing area in CDO with many developers already poised to develop in this area. So the subdivisions that are already finished are Teakwood Hills, which is also owned by ABrown, and it's in front of Vilmiro Heights, which is already sold out, but now they have a couple of reopened units available. So if you're looking for house and lot units with a view, then this is also an option. And then further ahead, we have CUMC, which will be developing Lariana Heights condominium. It's a 3-story, 4-building condominium complex for employees of Capital University Medical Center, CUMC. And then UKC, a big contractor here in CDO, is also in the process of developing a subdivision for their employees, Ayana subdivision. But they're also offering economic housing projects units to the market. And then just up ahead, there's another subdivision called San Antonio Homes that's also almost sold out. And aside from this, USDP, CDO State University, is also branching out to Balubals. So you can see that the area is starting to become more and more developed. The uptown area is really an ideal place to live in, but the prices there are already gastronomically high. So the Agusan Balubal area, on the other hand, is a good alternative for first-time home buyers or those who want to invest in a house but don't really want too much exposure, or for they just want to rent it out, so for investment. So it would be a good place to invest in, or for investors looking to diversify their portfolio. So now we have a unit in Mangoville that's already ready for occupancy for Assume the unit. So it's located in Block 3, Lot 30 of Mangoville Homes. It's along the main road, very close to the entrance gate. The unit here has bare cement finish, which means that you will be the one to install tiles and partitions. The bathroom and kitchen fixtures are already included though. So the assumed price for this unit is 540,000 inclusive of all taxes and fees. And the Pag-ibig loanable amount is 412,000 or about 2,844 for 30 years. So super affordable. Total contract price is 952,000. So as per the last update of ABrown, 2 units have already been turned over to unit owners. Many units have already been finished and are for turnover, while construction is still ongoing for some of the units. So this unit is a very affordable alternative to the other available housing nearby. And so if you'd like to schedule a viewing, just let me know and we can check this unit out. And that's it for today. I'll see you in my next video.